Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Her room is quiet and the sun is coming through the window. She sits on her bed, stretches her arms, and looks at the clock. She feels a little sleepy, but she knows she must get ready for work. Emma walks to the bathroom. She washes her face and brushes her teeth. Then she goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is small, clean, and bright. There is a table near the window. There are 2 chairs beside the table. Emma opens the refrigerator. She sees eggs, cheese, milk, butter, and some fruit. She takes out 2 eggs and a small piece of cheese. Then she opens a cupboard and takes out bread, a plate, and a cup. First, Emma puts 2 pieces of bread in the toaster. Then she puts a small pan on the stove. She adds a little butter to the pan. When the butter is hot, she breaks the eggs into the pan. The eggs make a soft sound. While the eggs are cooking, Emma makes tea. She fills the kettle with water and turns it on. She puts a tea bag in her cup. After a few minutes, the water is hot. She pours the water into the cup and adds a little milk. The toast is ready. Emma puts it on the plate. She adds the eggs and cheese. She also takes an apple from the fruit bowl. Now her breakfast is ready. Emma sits at the table. She drinks her tea and eats slowly. She looks out of the window. A man is walking his dog and a bus is stopping near the corner. The street is getting busy. After breakfast, Emma puts the plate and cup in the sink. She wipes the table and puts the food back in the refrigerator. Then she goes to her room, gets dressed, and takes her bag. Before she leaves, Emma checks the kitchen one more time. The stove is off. The window is closed. Everything is clean. She smiles and says, "That was a good breakfast." Then she puts on her shoes, opens the door, and leaves for work.